What is up, guys? Welcome back to another episode of Mike's Gourmet Kitchen. I'm Mike and I'm going to be showing you today how to make some delicious sticky chicken wings. It's very simple, very few ingredients, 10-minute prep time, and you'll have it done in about an hour, including the baking and all that delicious stuff. Remember, if you guys enjoy the content, to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon too to receive updates on future content. Let's get cooking. Starting off, we have a bowl of delicious chicken wings. See them here. We're going to split these, remove the ends. You can leave the ends on, they do get kind of crispy, you can eat them as well. But we're going to split it into the drumstick and basically the whole wing section here. So you've got two wing pieces, which we're going to be adding to a baking tray and into the oven with some baking powder and corn flour. So, fun way to actually prepare this. You'll feel the ridge of the drumstick and the wing section in between, and just slide your knife forward and you'll get this beautiful cut all the way through the cartilage. And same thing for this end, you can feel it, you can just slide it all the way through. There we go. So this we can just cook off, you can use it for whichever one you want. You can use this to prepare some chicken stock, whichever way. But we're going to be doing this now for the rest of the chicken. There we go. We're going to be using this. Let's start adding our chicken wings. Grab a small mixing bowl. We'll add 3 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic salt, and some black pepper, about half a teaspoon. Okay, let's start with our delicious sticky marinade. Let's get some heat going. Two tablespoons of olive oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic and chili paste, 1 teaspoon smoked paprika, and for some extra flavor, a 1/4 teaspoon of curry powder. So for our mixture today, we're going to be using 8 teaspoons of brown sugar. Okay, once the mixture has gotten a bit flaky, you've basically infused the sugar with all the chili spice and all the lovely flavors. You want to go ahead and add a 1/4 cup of water. It will help to dissolve the sugar. Our mixture has gotten up to a simmer. Let's go ahead and add our waste ingredients. So starting off, we're adding 50 grams of tomato paste, 2 tablespoons of Worcestershire sauce, and 2 tablespoons of rice vinegar. And then we'll add some ginger as well. We'll bring it up to a simmer now and leave it for about 10 minutes at very low heat, just so we can get all that curry spice, the garlic, everything infused and get it cooked all the way through before we apply it to our wings. Okay, they've been in for about 10 minutes now. Let's flip them around and put some baking powder on the opposite side and apply the basting, and then put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes before we apply the marinade. Okay, 20 minutes has passed. Wings are getting there nice and slow. And they smell absolutely amazing. Awesome, so now for the most delicious part of the video. We got our delicious marinade that we prepared. Just gonna move this to the side. A bit hot. Oh, let's do that. And let's start adding our wings to the sauce and then back into the pan and bake it for another 10 minutes. Okay, for now, I'm just going to leave this in the pan now for about 2 minutes to sit and draw up some of this delicious marinade, and then we'll throw it back into our baking tray and into the oven for another 10 minutes. Oh my goodness, that smells amazing. Let's have a look here. Nice and crispy. As you can see, we dipped them in the pan to get the basting coated all over, and it actually makes it quite tangy. What we're going to do is now put it on a plate, add some chopped green onion, and then if you want to, you can actually add the rest of the basting on top because it's already cooked. It doesn't have a raw taste to it, and it'll also be simply amazing. Let's go ahead, get this plated up, and then give it a taste. Okay, chicken wings are all done. They smell absolutely amazing. Garlicky, sweet, tangy, spicy. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Oh, look at that. With the green onion, everything. Let's give it a bite. I can't explain the taste. This is so good. It completely falls off the bone. That baking powder has tenderized it so much. In combination with the sauce and everything, my goodness, it absolutely tastes amazing. Wow. I'll probably eat this whole plate by myself afterwards. But thank you guys so much for watching. Please remember, if you do enjoy the content, to drop a like down below, comment and subscribe, and hit the bell icon too to receive updates on future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.
Hold up.